Good day, everyone. Learn how to hide Instagram chats or messages without deleting it. So, you have a way where you can restrict that and you won't be able to see that, and you can always unhide it or hide it. So, I'll open the Instagram and then we will go to this messaging. And now, let's say if I want to hide this, I'll go to the chats of it and then I'll click on this profile and then three dots, the options, and then we just need to click on restrict. Now we just need to click on restrict and you will see it is not right, it is not there. And whenever you want to unhide it, you can simply click on this profile icon at the bottom right corner, then at the top right corner, three lines, and then we need to scroll down and you will find how others can interact with you. You have this restricted, so you just need to unrestrict it and you will be able to see the messages again. So this is how you can hide messages or chats without deleting them. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.